Hi guys, what's going on? Jeremy here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, Joshua Elder explains probably one of the most important ideologies of internet sales. Turning leads into buyers can be nerve-wracking, honestly, but Joshua makes it easy. He's got a proven strategy, which has led to sale after sale, commission after commission. But listen closely as he defines how to build rapport and create a lasting relationship with the lead. So I'm going to turn it over to my mentor, Joshua Elder, so he can share these concepts with you. But first, remember to click the link under this description, which will lead you to a great video on how to make money on YouTube. Also, if you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And without further ado, here's Josh.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Joshua Elder here, and today I want to do a short video. Hopefully it'll be a short video. I want to talk about really how to sell, how to promote affiliate products and even your own products, and really do it in the right way and set the right expectations. So that's what we're going to be covering within this video. If you're looking forward to it, go ahead, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And by the way, I apologize, got the sniffles a little bit, got a little bit of a light cold. It's been pretty dang cold here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Had a cold front come through, and believe it or not, in October right now, I think it's about 20 degrees. The low has been 15 degrees, and I think that sort of gave me a little bit of a runny nose. So I apologize, but nonetheless, let's talk a little bit about how to take a lead and convert a lead to a buyer and what the expectation is. Now, typically people are expecting that they're just going to run traffic one day and then convert that traffic the next day. And, you know, I like to illustrate the buying process much like dating and going on a date with somebody. The first date, you don't just walk up to somebody and, you know, say, hey, will you marry me, and get down on one knee. Obviously, they would think that you're crazy, right? You take them out to dinner. You nurture the relationship. You get to know them more. They get to know you more until the point where you become boyfriend and girlfriend. And then eventually, you know, 2 years go by and you get married. And so when it comes to the relationship building process, when you're building a relationship with your leads, understand that it's usually about a 60 to 90 day period in which someone goes from a lead to a buyer. Now, you're going to probably get about maybe 5 to 10% of people, and that's a pretty good, you know, conversion rate, that buy on the high end, that buy your products and services right off the bat. For the most part, about 90%, 85 to 90% of people will buy 30, 60, and even 90 days from now. And so that means if you're running paid traffic, you got to deploy a lot of patience. If you're running free traffic, you got to deploy a lot of patience. You need to use your email autoresponder and social media as a tool to get closer to your customers. And so as you continue to upload content, as you continue to email your list, you're going to begin to build more and more of a relationship. You know, I get a lot of people that write me through email and they say, Josh, are you a scam? Is what you do legitimate? I've been burned by so many products and programs in the past. And my take has always been, do not purchase from me. Do not do business with me if you don't fully trust me. And that's really how I sell. I don't really focus on, you know, I let a lot of my content and my goodwill that I put out to the marketplace do most of the selling, really just giving content that really helps people. And as long as you do that and not try and pressure somebody to buy something, your content will do the indoctrination and the selling. You know, day one of seeing your content, somebody might buy right off the bat. And then after seeing 10, 15, 20 pieces of content, other people will finally make a decision to buy. And so I heard recently, actually about a week ago, one of my sales guys said, you know, the way that they look at marketing and how much people are willing to pay somebody for their product and program is typically for every hour of video that the consumer watches, you can charge $1,000. So if they watch 5 hours of your content, it's right around $5,000. Now that's not the case in, you know, with every prospect, but that's a pretty good number to really dictate how much a client or prospect would be willing to spend. So the more content, in other words, the more goodwill that you put out there, the more likely somebody is to buy your products and services. So the message really boils down in this video to be patient. If you're running paid traffic, keep running it for 90 days. Keep putting out goodwill. Make sure that your numbers are right, of course, the cost per lead, the cost per application, if you're booking calls, make sure that those leads are right, and everything else will work out. So it really comes down to knowing your numbers. That's obviously for another video, but really continuing to put out goodwill. Be super consistent. And as long as you just help people by actually helping them, not trying to sell, just giving them quality value and lead them back to the sales page or back to the booking page if you're booking calls, they'll eventually buy your products. Okay? So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell icon to receive all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Just because you click the red button, that doesn't guarantee that you're gonna receive all future video notifications of videos that I upload when I upload them. You gotta make sure that you tick that bell icon. So with that said, Joshua Elder signing off, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.